What we're going to do today is we're going to work on graphing high-order polynomials on the calculator, and I do have the calculator right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and input this into the calculator. You're going to press y equals. Well, actually, make sure it's on. Press y equals, and what we're going to do is we're going to type in x to the power 3 minus x. And if you get that mistake, all you have to do is just delete it and then scroll to the right. Then you have minus x. Go ahead and graph it. And if you want to zoom in, you can zoom in. Just press zoom and then zoom in. And press enter. And that's a better sketch. So what I'm going to do, and what I expect you to do in your homework, is just do a sketch, and it's going to look something like this. Okay, it doesn't have to be accurate. And in this case, you have 1, 2, 3 intersections. And we can see the 3 intersections here. And those are called our real zeros. And we're going to have 3 real zeros. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to graph the function, the next function. By the way, this was called a cubic function. And I told you it's a cubic function because of the power, the highest power, which is a degree is 3. This is quartic. And so we're going to go to the y equals again. And if you don't want this here, all you have to do is clear it. And you type in x to the power. That power is a caret right there. You see the caret? And then you write 4. And if you don't want to make the same mistake that I did earlier, just click to the right. Minus 8x. And then we square it. And then plus 1. And now you press graph. You're not really seeing the whole picture here since I left it zoomed in the last graph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press zoom. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom standard. Zoom standard just means it's going to graph it the way on a regular screen, the window, the way it's outlined here. And you notice that it's a W. So it goes down. And it goes back up, and then it goes up, down, and then it goes back up. Okay? And we notice that we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 intersections. So we're going to have 4 real zeros. Okay? The last one is also a quartic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and input this into the calculator. And I'm going to clear this. And we have x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3. Oh, wait, mistake. Sorry about that. X to the power 4, x to the power 3, and then minus x squared plus 2x minus 3. And we notice we have 1. Well, actually we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So we're going to terms, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to graph this. So it looks sort of like a quadratic. I'm going to erase this here to make it more accurate. It goes down, kind of curves up like that. And by the way, this is just a sketch. So we have 1, and we have 2. So we have 2 real zeros.